Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Research Center of Integration Islam and Science. For this tonight, we will discuss about the one phenomena in the Quran, especially in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 276. Let's our listen the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 276. We can find on the one website, namely Quran.com. Okay, let's our listen the Quran.
يمحق الله الربا ويربي الصدقات والله لا يحب كل كفار أثيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim. Okay, after we listen the Quran, let we check the translate. The Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 276. Okay, this is the translate. Allah destroys interest and give increase for charities, and Allah does not like every signing disbelievable. Okay, there is the one important issue on this translate. Allah give increase for charities. Charities in Islamics identical with the Zaqah, Infaq And Shadhaqah. So from this translate, we can take the one conclusion. Securities like the Zaqah, Infaq and Shadhaqah always grows up for the every years. Based on this conclusion, we will use the sign methods such as whole winters methods to prove the Zakah, Infaq and the Shadhaqah always grows up for the arrears. The problem is we only have the data Zakat, Infaq and Shadhaqah only start from the 2002 until the 2019. So, by using the whole winters methods, we can take the forecasting for 5 years in the future. So, that's why the whole winter methods, we will focus to use these methods, and then we try to use the R programming to support whole winter methods to solve our problems today. Okay, let's our check our R programming. Okay, for R programming. Okay. In the R programming, there is the Zaqah data from the 2002 until the 2019 in billions, and then for the 2020 we don't have the data, 2021 we don't have the data, 2022, 2023, 2024. So it means we will use the whole methods, the whole winter methods, to make the forecasting for the 5 years in the future for the value of Zakah, Infaq and Shadhaqah. For the first time, we will give the graph for the Zaqah start in the 2002 until the 2019. Okay, let's our programming. Okay, you can check here. The Zakah, Infaq and Shadhaqah always grows up from the 2002 until the 2019. So it means we believe with the Surah Al-Baqarah verse 276. And then the problem now, how to make the forecasting to driven the value of the zakah, infaq, and sadaqah on 2020 until 2024. So that why we will use the hot winter methods but make the forecasting for the 5 years in the future. But before we try to find the forecasting, of course, the first one, we will try to take the estimates of the observation. In this research, the observation is the old data. The old data is mean the data that you have. So by using all winter methods, you will try to find the data have the same characteristic with the old data. So estimated data, it means the data have produced from the whole winter methods. If the estimate data have the same characteristic or it seems same value with the old data, our whole winter methods very success to use the modeling by the Zaqah, Infaq, and Shadhaqah data. So in our programming, there is the one tools, namely whole winters. The whole winter, it's mean, like I said before, we try to produce the estimate data or the data produced by using the model hot winters. Okay, let's run our hot winter methods. And then we take the plot, the observation versus the estimate data. Okay, you can check here. The black one, it means the old data. The old data means the data that you have starting 2002 until the 2019. And the green one, the data that produced from the hot winters, or we say estimates data. You can check here. The green one, it seems almost same value with the black one. So from this graph, we can take the one conclusion. Our model or whole winter methods success to produce the new data. Okay, after we take this conclusion and then we believe the whole winter is very good to produce the new data. The data, it seems same value with the old data. We have the reason to use this model or this method to take the forecasting 5 years in the future. Like I said before, we will take the forecasting, the Zaqah, Infaq, and the Shadhaqah for the 2020 until the 2024. Okay, so forecasting data is the R programming have the tools or have the R programming namely predicts. Predicts model one, it means the model that you use in this tonight. And five, it means you will take the forecasting 5 years for the future, start from the 2020 until the 2024. Okay, let's run our program. Okay, we run our program. Okay, you can check from this graph. The black one, okay, this is our all data. The black one start in the 2002 until the 2019. And then you can check here, the red one is our forecasting for the 2022, 2020. And the blue one, our forecasting for the 2021. The green one, our forecasting for the 2022. And the yellow one is our forecasting for 2023, and the gray one for the 2024. And you can check here, like the Quran say, the increase of the qualities, or it's mean the zakah, infaq, and the sadaqah always grows up for the every years. We have checked by the whole intermethods. So it means our discussing for this tonight is very nice. We can prove the phenomenon in the Quran, especially in the Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 276. I think this nice discussion for this tonight. Okay, I think this enough for this tonight. Wait for our next topics and discussing Radoyendra Research Center of Integration Islam and Science. See you again.